Today, we are diving into the Freelancers' brand new toolkit, AI. We're going to explore how artificial intelligence can basically give you superpowers to tackle everything from creating content to managing your entire workflow. If you're a freelancer, you know this feeling all too well. You're the CEO, the creator, the marketer, the accountant, all rolled into one. It's that classic hustle that just leaves you wishing you could clone yourself. Well, what if you could? What if there were tools that could act as your co-pilot, your designer, and your project manager? That's exactly the promise of AI, and we're about to show you how to unlock these new freelance superpowers. And let's be clear, this isn't some far-off fantasy that's only for massive corporations anymore. AI is an accessible, affordable game changer that is ready to completely transform your workflow as a solopreneur right now. First up, let's talk about the superpower of infinite content. This one's for anyone who has ever just stared at a blank page, completely and totally stuck. I mean, the contrast here is just night and day. Think about the old way, right? You're battling writer's block, spending hours and hours on research, and then painstakingly writing every single piece of ad copy by hand. Now, with AI tools, you get instant outlines, rapid first drafts that you can just refine, and dozens of ad variants to test in minutes. It's a huge shift in efficiency. So, what does this actually look like day to day? Well, think about it. Generating blog post outlines and even first drafts to get you off the ground. Crafting social media captions that perfectly hit the right tone. Or creating multiple versions of ad copy to see what really connects with your audience. It's just an incredible tool for smashing through those creative blocks. And the ultimate benefit here, it isn't just about speed. It's about what that speed gives you back. It's more time for the high-level strategy, more capacity to take on new clients, or maybe, just maybe, the freedom to actually take a well-deserved break. All right, next up is our second superpower, the power to design literally anything. This is a massive game changer for every freelancer out there who isn't a graphic designer but still needs professional-looking visuals. Just look at this comparison. The old way meant endless scrolling through stock photo sites, paying for expensive subscriptions, and trying to master complicated software. The new way? You just write a simple text prompt describing exactly what you want, and AI generates a unique, custom image just for you. It's that simple. The possibilities here are just incredible. Imagine creating a completely unique hero image for a client's website that nobody else has, or generating super eye-catching graphics for social media, custom visuals for a big presentation, or even background elements for a video project. This is such a huge win. You get to bypass the high costs of stock imagery and that steep, frustrating learning curve of traditional design software. AI is essentially democratizing design, letting you create stunning, professional visuals all on your own. Okay, our third and final superpower tackles something every single freelancer has to deal with, that administrative grind. This is the power of an automated workflow. Just think of the relief AI can bring to your admin work. Before, you were stuck making manual to-do lists, slogging through these long emails, and basically guessing at what your priorities should be. Now, AI can summarize those emails in seconds, auto-generate a task list from a client brief, and give you data-driven insights on where to focus your energy. So how does this actually work in practice? Well, you could feed a project brief into an AI and get a perfectly structured task list back. You could summarize an hour-long meeting transcript in seconds to pull out just the action items. It really helps you cut through the noise and organize your day with genuine clarity. And the goal here is simple, but so powerful. It's to reduce that administrative burden. And that means less stress, less time spent on busy work, and more mental space for the creative, strategic work that you actually love to do. So we have these three incredible superpowers, right? But the real magic, the really cool part, happens when you start combining them into one seamless workflow. Let's just walk through an example. A client sends you a brief. Step 1, you use a productivity AI to instantly generate a project plan. Step 2, you take that plan over to a content AI to get a first draft of the blog post. And step 3, you use a visual AI to create the perfect hero image. You've gone from plan to near completion in a fraction of the time. Ultimately, it really all comes down to this mindset. It's so easy to see AI as some kind of threat, but the freelancers who are really going to thrive are the ones who embrace it as a powerful tool, a partner, and a critical advantage in a super competitive market. So as we wrap this up, the real question isn't if you should use these tools, but where you're going to start. Are you going to become a content machine, a visual creator, a productivity master? Which superpower will you unlock first?